Hey, it's Lisa, and it's time to grill up a little halibut. So I love making this grilled halibut on a grill pan or outside on my outdoor grill. It's a great weeknight fish to have, and it's so easy. So let's make the marinade. Start with a little fresh lime juice, a little salt, a little white pepper, fresh garlic, and fresh parsley. Give that a stir. And then we're gonna bring some olive oil in there. So I'm gonna pour the marinade over the fish. So I'm gonna cover this with a little plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate for about 2 hours. So I'm gonna get my grill pan good and hot, add a little oil. Then I'm gonna transfer the halibut to the grill pan. And not to waste any of that marinade, I'm gonna spoon a little on it. I'm gonna let this cook about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, and you can determine that by the thickness of your filet. A little more marinade. Quick and easy grill pan halibut. And to make it a little fancy, I'm gonna put a little bit of this pineapple serrano salsa. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn how to make this pineapple serrano salsa, you can check it out on another video or go to anappetizinglife.com to see what's going on over there. Time for me to have a little fish.